Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are here to present about how to use Cwords Cmms software. First, we must install Cwords in the website. After Cwords installation done, click on CW Plus and open it. After open, we must log in with user ID and password as an admin. And click login. And this is the interface of Cmms software. Here have a 12 icon, which is work order, assets, location, preventive, and others. The first step is master to key in all the data needed. First, we create the department, which is we must fill in the department number and department description. As an example, D001 is a home equipment. We can also update here. Second, we create a failure code. We put a failure code and failure description like below F001 until F005 here. The third one is a asset category. We also follow like fill in the asset category code and asset category description like AC01 until AC06. The next is supplier. This is the supplier S001 until S008. If we want to make a new supplier, we just click new supplier and we must fill all the information given and click save. Like this is the example. Next is the location. This is the location list. You must put location number and location description. If you want to make new location, just click the new location and fill in all the information needed and click save. Like here, this is my example, L001 kitchen, and also we must put it department number and criticality. Next is employee. This is my employee list from A001 until E007. If you want to make a new employee, just click the new employee part and fill in all the needed information. Like here also our salary overtime rate and click save. Close. This is the example one. The next is the asset. This is our asset from A001 until A061 in the home equipment. If you want to make a new asset, we just follow the click new asset and fill in all the information needed and click save. This is the example I choose it here, and then we click close. And the last is the safety instruction. If you want to make a safety instruction record, just click new safety. We put it safety instruction number, safety instruction name, and description. We just click save and close. This is my example. Safety starts work S002. So
Plus, go to preventive, and here we have PM task list. So here we can add PM task list, and to add new, here click new PM checklist, and you can fill up this and click save. So let's look at an example here. We have a checklist for PM checklist for defrost ice. So here we have how to be done the maintenance, and then let's see how to schedule PM preventive maintenance. Here we have a few lists of scheduled PM preventive maintenance. So to create new schedule, click here and select a type for preventive maintenance. Then click OK. Then fill this and click save. So let's look at an example. So here we scheduled preventive maintenance for defrost ice, and here we set asset to chest freezer, location kitchen, and then we set frequency. We schedule this preventive maintenance once in a month, and then we put when we start the preventive maintenance, and completion date is within 1 day. So here we put 1 day. If we put 2 day means it will change. So we schedule that this maintenance took 2 days to finish. If 1 day means we put 1 day, and then the next start date is the next scheduled preventive maintenance for defrost ice. So to see the full schedule, click here view PM schedule, and here we can see the start date is 31st May. Then the next maintenance will be on 30 June, and so on. Every 1 month we will have this preventive maintenance.
Click on the work request to open the work request module. To create new work request, click on new work request button. Okay, here you can fill in the required fields in the work request form. After you fill in, click save button. Let's see an example. In the requester, you can fill the requester name, and then you can choose the word type and word trade. In the problem description field, provide a detailed description of the issue. Then fill in the required date. In the word priority, you can choose the priority level. In the location number, you can specify the location of the asset. Then lastly, the asset number. Select the asset that needs maintenance. Once you have done fill in, click the close button.
Next, we will continue to explain to do a work order. First, click the work order icon and click the new work order button. Fill the information. This is example of work order interface. Next, how to close the work order. Double click the record of work order. This work order closing. Click the close option of work status and fill the information and close work order button. Okay. Lastly, we will generate the report from the system. Click the report icon. Find the report that we need to display. Firstly, failure type analysis. Click the failure type analysis. Select all. Asset. Example, I will select the small machine equipment. This one. And then fill the start date. For example, and to the end date for 31/24. Export the data to the Excel. The data of the failure type analysis will come out like this in Excel. Next, for MTBF report, asset code, select all. Location, select all also. Date received, example from this one, 2, and date 31. Export the data to Excel. The data will come out in Excel like this for MTBF report. Next, for MTTR report, also export it to Excel. The data came out like this. For asset category all and by location all, from the date they start to the end date. After that, for work order close, find the report group for work order. This one for close work order list. Select the work order date from 1 May to 31 May. That is example of date. Preview it. So the data of close work order list report will come out in like this in the interface. The visual display like this. Close the print preview. Next, for asset list report, click the asset list, insert the asset number from 111 to 119, preview. The asset list report data will show display to interface like this. Lastly, for asset maintenance history, I will show the asset maintenance history for all assets. Click the preview button. The asset maintenance history for all assets will pop up or display like this. Close the print preview. That's all from our group presentation. Thank you.